Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel as much as you want. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how to measure the inches of snow. So here we go. First thing, you're gonna have to take off your shoes and your socks because you don't want to get it wet, okay? Get the bucket and the mop. And then, second, you have to put it up. And then, we're gonna go dive. So come on, follow me. Here we go.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3. So, that's like what? 5 inches, 8 inches, and it's gonna be 12 inches tonight. So what are you waiting for? Let's go!
A few moments later.
Whoa! And then, happy Valentines! Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and ring all the bell button for more updated videos. So I'll see you at my next vlog. Bye!